My mom always told me, Nika, you live to eat, but I eat to live. So, y'all, here we are. I am eating to live, focusing on nutrition. I am Shanika Bridges Mathieu.
Emmanuel Mathieu.
And he is Emmanuel Mathieu, my husband. And we are the founders of Shambles Off TV. We are going to show you what we did for our meal prep. We got, actually, I believe I got this from Sam's or Costco. I don't know. It wasn't Amazon. It was Costco?
Costco, yes.
Okay, a 90-piece meal prep kit. Actually bought this probably, it was Sam's. Because I just got my Costco membership maybe 3 months ago. But we got this, and I was just taking lunch in it and stuff like that. My husband was, fixing meals and put it. But I was like, we still have a lot of these left. Why don't we go ahead and prepare our meals for the weekdays, not the weekends, because we do like to eat out. But we prepared our meals. So that's what we did. This is not a cooking show. We're not going to be on here forever, but we're going to show you what we cooked. Been in the kitchen for over 5 hours today. All right, so we're going to show you what we cooked. Also, the salad chopper. Will you bring that, Mr.? Okay. The vegetable chopper, which I got off the TikTok shop. And I'm sure I probably can post some links for Amazon. I think they sell them on Amazon or Sam's or whatever. I'll post some links to those. So we use that. And so let's bring the meals out. And as he's bringing the meals over, I wanted to show you, I did make with the salad chopper, I had my son cutting up some tomatoes and cucumbers and onions to make a tomato, cucumber, and onion salad. That's for dinner, because all the meals that we prepared are ones that you could warm up in the microwave. So he's gonna bring over those meals. We did do about 28 meals. Both of us are teachers. So we have to go back to work next week. I've been off for 2 months, y'all. Whew, and I had a great vacation. Actually, I did, can't tell, but I did lose 10.4 pounds. I posted a video about that over the last month. Have you lost weight right over the last month?
Yes, I have.
Okay. So this is one of the meals we have. We have a Roger Wood smoked sausage, spinach, and 1/4 of a sweet potato. Okay. I was at Walmart yesterday, and I got some roasted chicken, so we cut it up and, made sure that we had 30 grams of protein per meal. So got that, and I made some okra to put with that. Okay. All right, so my husband cooked up some bacon and eggs, and I put some cauliflower in there. So our goal is to get 30 grams of protein. We did a video about why that's important per meal. Okay, so this is about 26, y'all. The 2 eggs and the bacon, 2 pieces of bacon. Then we have the cauliflower. But a lot of people, and this is not a keto. I can't do keto because it's too low carb. 20 grams of net carbs or less is not gonna work for me, because I've tried it and I had to go to the hospital because my potassium was too low, my mineral balance was too low. So we don't do that. We have to have our fiber, and that's what keeps me sane. Actually, this was what we ate for breakfast, but we actually put a low carb wrap with it, which had 1 net carb. They call it a 0 carb wrap. So we have the bacon with scrambled eggs with peppers and some cauliflower here. So we have a variety of meals. Now, I'm not a big breakfast person. So yeah, so that's what we have here. Just open it up so you can see. And then my husband also made some salmon, and we also have roast beef. So this is more chicken with sweet potato, which is excellent. And this is actually asparagus, okay? Again, 30 grams of protein. Try to hit the 25 grams of fiber. And what I used was the Carb Manager app. Here's another. This is roast beef, sweet potato, broccoli, and this is a vegetable spring roll. So we put that. It's definitely carbs, but it's not that high. Actually, my goal is to get to 25 to 35 grams of fiber per day, and about 100 to 150 grams of carbs. And all of these meals would fit that criteria, okay? So yes, this is what we are doing because if you ever heard, prior planning prevents poor performance. So if we fail to plan, we will fail. If we fail to plan, we probably will fail. Now this is some salmon with Parmesan and garlic sauce, garlic, Parmesan sauce. There's some spinach here and some mushroom and a sweet potato, a quarter of a sweet potato. Emmanuel, did you want to say anything?
No. Enjoy your food.
He doesn't talk as much as I do. He does talk, but he's more shy. I'm the extrovert. Will you bring that salad here? I think I showed it in the beginning.
You did?
But yes, I did. Okay, so that is for, so as you can see there's a lot of meals here. It's about 2, 24, 26, about 27, 28 meals here. For between the both of us, that, you know, that's a little bit under the 3 meals a day. Because normally when I go back to work, they always have breakfast for us the first day. So I'm factoring that in, as well as the fact that we'll have lunch on Tuesday, because they already told us on our plan. So we didn't want to overcook, but it's a lot of food. And believe it or not, we ate some salmon today and we were struggling to eat. I did some intermittent fasting, so I really didn't eat my first meal till like 2 o'clock. We ate the bacon, avocado, the calorie wrap, the low carb calorie wrap, and 2 eggs with cheese. And that
avocado.
Yeah, I said it was. We were very full, and then maybe 2 hours later had salmon, sweet potato, a little roast beef, and spinach with mushrooms. And I'm still full. I didn't even, normally I do a protein shake. Will you get those protein shakes over there? Normally I love Fairlife, y'all. Premier Protein, I use that too. But Fairlife is my favorite. Just drop something here. And that's really helped. So I have been getting over 100 grams of protein. Even when I was out of town, I literally was out of town majority of the month for July. Literally, I was only at home maybe a total of a week. That's intermittently. But using this at least once a day, that 30 grams of protein. Fairlife, again, there's a lot of different protein shakes you can use. It. Some people like to blend up their own. So whatever you like to use. But again, even when I was out of town, I was making sure, even though I was eating out pretty much every day with my mom and my son and my stepdad, I was still able to drop weight. Normally I gained 10 pounds on vacation, so thank God we were able to lose. But hopefully this is one of several. My husband wants to show you his snacks. He doesn't do the protein shakes, but he does, what is that?
Protein bar.
Protein bars, and he loves them. You know, if you watch any of our other videos, you know that he goes to dialysis, so they, you know, give him those after dialysis.
During dialysis.
During dialysis while he's on the machine. So he goes Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But this is what we're doing. As you can see, we are ready. You see, I got on my army fatigues. I'm ready to go to war with this fat. Hopefully you'll join us. We're planning to do a weekly meal prep. This should last us until Saturday, and we'll be back. So thank you for watching, and remember to take the shackles off your mind and learn something new. Have a wonderful day. This is Shanika Bridges Mathieu signing off, and this is
Emmanuel Mathieu.
Have a wonderful day. Thank you.